Hello, we're doing Legos. I haven't done Legos in a really long time, mostly because of this one. He Sir! Guys, I thought Swayze was attached. This man is so damn attached. I haven't done Legos in a really long time. And actually, I've sold a lot of the Legos that I've done. I don't have nearly as many sets as I did before. Yesterday, Lucy, Andrew, Margot, and I went to Legoland. Yeah. I had some gift cards and I had insider points. So I bought this set and I bought an advent calendar. So yeah, we're gonna do some Legos. Life has been really, really hard lately. Really hard. I'm kind of sad that I don't have paper bags. I feel like everyone with this set has gotten paper bags, and I have not. There are 9 bags total. In case you were wondering, he didn't leave. He just moved. He'll be here this whole time, I'm sure. Let's get started with bag number 1. I thought that would get him in. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful this printed piece is. Harrison, look how pretty it is. Honestly, one of the main reasons I wanted this set was to have Belle. I'm so excited to have a Belle minifig. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. All right, I got bag number 1 done. And now I'm on bag number 2. We don't talk about Bruno. Bruno. Cute. So I was going to see how long it takes me to do this by like seeing when I started and then seeing what time it is when I ended. But I just got off like a 1 hour-ish phone call, well, like FaceTime call with Chad. So it's gonna be harder. I mean, I guess I'll just take off an hour. I think it was like an hour or something, but I'll just like take off an hour, round it up, I guess. I don't know. Let's keep, sir, that was all me. All right, let's keep going. By the way, in case you're wondering, here he is, Mr. Attachment. All right, let's keep going. I'm not gonna lie, bag 2 was hard because all these tiny, teeny, tiny little pieces and my big old fingers. Now we are on bag 3, and it comes with Simba. So I think we're gonna start Pride Ride. Look at the Simba. Simba. You silly boy. This is an Easter egg that is inside of the Mickey build on this. Can you guess which Disney Pixar movie it is an Easter egg for? It's really cool. Okay, I took a break. I ate some dinner. I talked to some people. And now we are here. Oh, Geppetto was a pain in the ass, and so were these mops. And this is the other side. Ooh. And now we are on bag 9. This is bag 9 dumped out. Look at this printed piece. It was eyes. That's so funny. This set had no stickers. I love that. She's done and awesome. I love it.